Hi everyone, welcome to LabTalks, and today we meet Zhanar.
Hello.
She's a chemist basically, and she's got some small field in the chemist. It's called. Can you introduce to your field?
I think it will be more better to explain and introduce myself. I am Zhanar Bekissanova. I'm from Kazakhstan. Now I'm doing postdoctoral research in Al-Farabi Kazakh National University in Poland. And research area and fields. My research area and fields. I finished my PhD last year in defense. It was.
Congratulations.
Thank you. Finally, I did that in 5 years. Yeah.
Oh.
And the topic of research was synthesis and characterization of composites based on silver nanoparticles and natural absorbents.
Okay. Actually, it's quite interesting. So can you describe a bit about your field? What are you researching for? What is your topic? I mean, not so topic, maybe you can just describe what is the main composition of your research right now.
Okay, the relevance of work and the main aim of work, it is this of the multidisciplinary, because we are trying to synthesize of composites, natural absorbents. It is this diatomite, kaolinite. It's from Kazakhstan. They located diatomite from west of Kazakhstan.
Oh.
Yeah, and the kaolinite, it is this of north of Kazakhstan in Kokshetau region. And we're trying to obtain of drug delivery system. Yeah, because of we know about of the silver nanoparticles. It is so interesting, and nanomaterials which widely used in medicine, of antibacterial agent, because now it is this of problem of them antibiotics resistance, because the bacteria change the DNA, and it's difficult to control all the concentration of the antibiotics, and sometimes the antibiotics doesn't work with the simple words, and scientists trying to produce of silver nanoparticles, and with the small of concentration can kill that. It's gram-negative or gram-positive bacteria. It is because it is depend for different bacteria. They need of different concentration of the silver.
Okay.
It depends of the size of the nanoparticles. If the nanoparticles smaller, they are more active and they can destruct of the DNA of the bacteria of the cell of this. Yeah.
The silver just reacting with the bacteria.
The destruction of the cell.
Okay.
And the proteins, and after that it is inactivated.
Yeah. Okay, that's cool, especially today, because a lot of antibiotics is outside. I mean, it's not in the medicine right now. It's in the environment. So I think it's a really nice project to deactivate the different type of the bacteria.
Yeah, it was of my PhD thesis.
Yeah, super.
And now we're trying thesis of postdoctoral research topic. It is obtaining of diatomacellus biosilica from microalgae. I think you will. Could you please add the picture of the diatoms? Yeah, please see this.
It will be here.
Yeah, it will. And we are growing that, and after that we purified and obtained diatomacellus biosilica. And the aim of this research is synthesize biocompatibility and hemostatic composite based on the diatomacellus biosilica with kitazan. It will be like synergetic effect, because widely use of hemostatic is blood stopping. The meaning of blood stopping. It is so interesting. It's nanomedicine too. It is of multidisciplinary medicine. It is interesting to obtain not only hemostatic and antibacterial composite wound healing, because we know about that when we have some wound or stop to blood, and the and the second, it is this recovering of this wound, and
two in one.
Yeah, and killing bacteria, and after and healing, and also it's stop the blooding. But it's difficult because the part of this first part, it is synthesized to try to choose the optimal concentration of the everything here to make the experimental part. After that, to investigate this of the hemostatic hemolysis, hemostatic, and cytotoxicity. It is this of microbiology, and to investigate the hemostatic, it is working with animals, not in vitro. It is in vivo.
Okay.
It's in vivo, and it's this next part to study.
So which kind of animals do you use?
Rabbits.
Rabbits.
Yeah, mice. And I don't use. My aim is synthesize this composite. After that, I gave to microbiologists, biologists who can study this hemostasis. Collaborators. It is this who work with animals prepared for that. It is this procedure.
It's a different group of the scientists.
Course, it is different. It is this collaboration.
Especially it's good if you got a multidisciplinary and you can give your samples. I mean, to the different collaborators. They can just manage and in higher level these results. So
sure, it is this teamwork. You can do experiments and
that's okay.
only in your lab, and that's all right. Article and finish. It is this teamwork. You work with with your collaborative from other organizations, from other institutes, from other universities,
from other countries.
Like this. Sure.
So
it was the first question or second?
Actually, I'm not sure it's what the kind of question it was, but I'm really in the conversation. So, my next question will be: how do you decide to go to the chemistry? Firstly, when you get just 5 years old, you just decide, "Oh, mom, I will go to the chemistry. I love it." So maybe it's a different story. So can you tell me your story right now?
It was an interesting story. It started from my 8th class in the high school. First year of the chemistry. From school, and I didn't understand
chemistry at all.
Nothing.
Okay.
Because I didn't understand the compounds, the reactions, the mechanism, how it works, this of electrons, atoms. It was so disgusting. And but our teacher, maybe Maja Leona, hello, thank you so much. She was so fascinated with her subject, and she was so fascinated, and she invited to summer school. Everyone who wanted to participate and learn and understand chemistry. And I decided to participate that at the summer school. It was all my summer vacations. After that, it was hard work. It was hard work in vacation, in New Year's, in winter vacations, every day. And but I'm grateful because it brought me here. It bring to the chemistry, and now I'm here. I'm in chemistry 18 years from 15. It was decision. After that, I decided to go to chemistry faculty. And I'm here.
Okay. It's a really interesting. It's a key story because you just in the beginning you just hate this subject, and then you can just love it, and now your life is completely entire the chemistry. So
I hate it.
But it was a long time ago.
I hated only maybe 1 year.
So when you didn't understand,
because I didn't understand. After that, I participated in Olympiads, and it was so interesting. And I thought, chemistry everywhere around us, everywhere.
Everything is chemistry.
Everything. And now you understand you can
just deeply understand the process in entire life.
You can deeply understand the processes, the compounds, and everything, the processes and like the reaction between.
Yeah. My next question: how do you find like a hardest and easiest thing in your PhD and postdoc? Maybe like you're from a daily routine in the chemistry. What is the hardest? What's the easiest thing?
Oh, so the hardest for me at the beginning in the PhD was to find a supervisor.
Oh,
Yeah, you know that
yeah.
there's
It's
some rules in Kazakhstan.
like in Avatar, you need to find the halo.
Yeah, this is the
Like
connection, the
link.
link, yeah. And find a supervisor. It some rules, yeah. It was some challenge, and I wrote 10 emails to professors, and my professor invited, accepted, and we're working during 6 years, 7 years,
really?
yeah, from starting. And it was like I was like, like this dating, but it's not dating.
Come on.
It's not dating. You're going to professor, but you didn't know how it will be.
Okay.
Yeah, but it was match. Yeah,
okay.
It was match.
Okay, super. I'm glad to hear it.
Yeah, and we're working. Yeah, we finished PhD, and now it's postdoc. It's researching. I think it is this main when you can work because it is someone who like take your hand and open the world of science.
Oh.
Sure, in PhD you more hard work, and you have, if you work with professor and feeling this connection who support you and every day explain you and like supervise you, yeah. And you can, it will be like adventure for you in PhD, but it will be something like of misunderstanding or not much. It will be difficult to do. Yeah.
So you need to find your person. You need to find your right supervisor.
Sure. You
and
can.
you should be matched with the connection with the supervisor and you. So it's a hardest thing. So what is the easiest thing?
It's not hardest.
It's not hardest?
It's not hardest.
So
no.
it's the easiest or
it's easiest because it's easiest to find person, and it will be like adventure for you because of the easiest or in the PhD. Sure, it's in the science. It is opportunities, summer schools, internships, and conferences, and this of them like community supporting each other and inspiration each other. For example, I can speak with you and I will share with my ideas, you will share with your ideas. We can combine our ideas and
become like a big project.
Yeah, like let's write a project and doing something interesting. Why not? It will be some like community of this. It's very interesting. It's very interesting.
And that's why I'm making this channel, because everyone in the science should have at least few communications and now
collaborations.
And now you can just write to Zhanar to collaborate. So continue.
Okay.
Can you give a bit small, like 1 or 2 sentence advice for the future scientists who just on the beginning their journey?
Okay, I think I will continue about of bad, how do you say it, disadvantages of the science, but not as a disadvantage. It's something like a feeling of overthinking. Every time you're overthinking and stress. And sometimes you can find answer in months or in the year of to approve your idea because you doing your experiment, you
unsuccessful.
Yeah, you can be unsuccessful. You don't obtain your composite or you don't obtain your methodology. It doesn't work, but it is sometimes failure is okay in science because it will be your new skills and it will be your experience. After that, you will know that the way how it will be good for doing that. And I can explain my example. When I started PhD, it was one experiment. I arrived here for first internship, and our aim were obtain silver nanoparticles, metallic silver nanoparticles, but we obtained hybrid nanoparticles consist of the chlorine silver and silver nanoparticles.
Not desired result, but
What?
I mean, it was not desired result.
Yeah, we did,
But
but we obtained that.
okay.
It was 1 month hard working and experiment. After that, I have ticket to the next day, and I have to go. And I thought I spent 1 month and didn't obtain my results. But after that, it was so interesting because we discussed with professor and found the result as a scientist, and it's interesting that the silver chloride nanoparticles have more antibacterial efficiencies than metallic silver nanoparticles, and they work together like this hybrid nanoparticles. It is synergetic effect, and it was interesting, but who knows that it will be so interesting. Yeah,
I know
it was failure before.
Yeah. Actually, it's like you looking for copper but find a gold. Exactly.
Like this, maybe.
Yeah. It's the same like from Novo Nordisk's guys. They invented Ozempic for the diabetics, but now half of the entire world using for the lose the weight. So losing, it's winning from the other side.
Yeah, sometimes failure is winning. Yeah.
Okay,
and maybe some words. I'm not so like I don't have a lot of experience in science. I'm a young scientist, but I can maybe advise someone who wanted to start science, and it's interesting, and also it is adventure. Don't give up, because I think it is this not routine life, because sometimes you're doing experiment, reading articles, writing articles. After that, you write the projects, go to the conferences. It is this, so every day you have new tasks. Yeah, it's so interesting. Yeah, it's not so daily routine every day. It is this of advantages of the science.
Yeah, exactly. It is. I agree. So thank you so much for your time.
Thank you.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to LabTalks, and thank you so much.
Thank you,
for your time.
See you.
See you. Bye.